All right, a little update. Putting LS6 valve springs in on the Silverado. So I got this tool from Trick Flows from Summit Racing. The bolt that they give you is really shitty. I got, shoot, where is it? Oh, here it is. So they give you this bolt, right, with the Allen key. It only worked for 2 sets of these valves on my other heads, and it pretty much stripped the bolt. It like seized onto here, if you can see. It's seized on the bolt, shitty. So go to O'Reilly's or Home Depot, get yourself a grade 8 bolts. That's what I did to finish the job. So like again, here's my old springs. Little update. Putting LS6 valve springs. Next, I'll show you guys how to install the cam into Silverado, and the Silverado will run again.